Hey YouTube, Sam Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up, this will be the third 2020 Topps Allen Ginter that's not part of my case. This is a hobby box. You can get 3 of these. You can get autograph cards, relic cards, rip cards, printing plates, and book cards. Let's see what we get out of this. Picked this up from the local hobby shop. I really like Allen Ginter this year. It's one of the few baseball products that isn't like super overpriced. So I've been enjoying it. Alright, so we got box loader, or box topper, whatever you want to call it. It says box loader. It's not thick, so probably not a rip card. But it is, ooh, Mike Trout. Too bad it's not autographed. That's pretty awesome. These look pretty decent this year. Like them better than last year's. That. Alright. And my hits have usually been in the top pack, so I'm going to leave those off. Still save them to the end. So we got Trevor Story. Tom Glavine. Barry Larkin. Alex Vertigo, Freddie Freeman, Jay Buhner. Ooh, this is the first time I've ever seen one of these minis. A Joe Girardi field general. This is 9 Ways to First, a single. So these must be pretty tough to pull. That's the first time I've seen one of these. We got Max Muncy, Mookie Betts. There's a rookie card, Abraham Toro, Manny Machado, Jordan Yamamoto, Jose Canseco, Max Kepler mini, and Ponce de Leon debut to remember. So we got Wade Boggs. I can't remember his R.L. Stein, Clayton Kershaw, Ryan Braun. He's got a bat on his bat. I just noticed that. We got Joey Gallo, Orlando Cepeda, and Quartz, and Nomar Garciaparra mini. Ooh, that's the A&G back too. Escobar, Walker Buehler, Matt Reynolds, Brian Reynolds, Victor Robles, Tim Anderson, Mauricio Dubon rookie, Jorge Alfaro. That's an A&G back. And the One World Trade Center. Okay, so I've been trying to guess where these buildings are. That is New York City. Obviously, yep. That was the easy one. I've actually seen that building with my own eyes. We got Starling Marte, Rhys Hoskins, Lucas Giolito, Roberto Alomar, Darryl Strawberry, Kirby Yates. Ooh, these are so cool. We got a Combine rookie card, and Where Monsters Live, the Swamp. And don't know if you guys have already heard about these. These are actually glow in the dark. You can see kind of in the light what's shiny. That's the glow in the dark ink. So if you hold this up to the light and then go into the complete dark, this swamp thing guy will light up, and also this the graphics on the top will light up and glow in the dark. Let's try it. We've been trying it, and it's pretty hard to see, but I think it's a little bit darker than the last time I tried this. Let's see if the old camera can pick her up. Oh yeah, you can actually see it this time. Can't really see the Swamp Thing guy. You can see the top part. Maybe a little bit of glow there. Very cool. I love this mini insert set. Alright, driving on. Joe Torre, Jose Altuve, Buzzer Man, Eloy Jimenez, Whit Merrifield. We got Jeff Dye, comedian, Dakota Hudson, R.L. Stein. Yeah, I nailed it. And Lou Gehrig, long ball. Andre Dawson, Christian Yelich, Chris Bryant, Juice with the killer beard. It is a baseball barber, Hugo Juice Tandron, Jesus Luzardo rookie, Moises Alou, Trey Mancini black border, and Jason Hayward debut card. Seems like there's more insert sets this year than last year. Gavin Lux rookie. Put that over there. Eric Hosmer, Ryu, Cole Hamels, Nelly Cruz, Tim Raines. Under the Stairs, glow in the dark mini. Red Barrel. If you want to read about that gem or whatever it is. There it is. But yeah, that, okay, you can kind of see in light, see something right there is going to light up in glow-in-the-dark ink. These are so cool. Definitely want to make a set of those. Paul DeYoung, Paul Molitor, Josh Donaldson, Acuna, Tom Seaver. That is Miguel Tejeda, Whit Merrifield mini, and Pudge. Pudge, definitely a field general. Got Carlton Fisk, Buster Posey, Garrett Cole, Frank Thomas, Nyquist, Aristides Aquino, Cole Calhoun, and the Empire State Building. Well, that's definitely New York City. That's another one, of course, that I've seen with my own eyes. Doesn't say on there, but it's definitely New York City. There is someone saying these might connect. That was watching videos. Jeff Bagwell. We'll see if it connects with the World Trade Center. Max Fried, Dan Vogelbach, Albert Pujols, Andrew Jones, Chipper Jones, Houston, Ozzie Albies black border, and the old garden. Brings back the old go out to the garden and pull weeds days as a kid. So let's see, where's that World Trade Center card? There it is. Now, will these cards connect? No. So maybe they don't, because these are both New York. Calvin Biggio, Yadier Molina, Ramon Laureano, Howie Kendrick, a rookie card, Alzolay, Crack the Code. Oh, I'm going to have to pause the video for a second. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that, guys. But we were getting ready to crack the code. I don't know if there's clues on this card, but There you go. John Carl Stanton, long ball, and Jay Buhner. That's a short print. Cards that are over 300 are short prints. Ernie Banks, Jack Flaherty, Hunter Pence, Barry Zito, Zach Greinke, Raleigh Fingers, Moises Alou. That's a short print mini. And Yadier Molina. Tommy LaStella, Foon, actor and comedian, Nick Thune, A-Rod, Nomar Mazara in the White Sox uniform, Willie Stargell, Catfish, and a mini Catfish, and Copper. That's a lot of short print minis in this box, which is pretty awesome. Marcus Semien, Ryan McMahon, Colton Wong, Michael Conforto, Reggie Jackson, Billy Williams, Mariano Rivera, black border, and Ramon Laureano. Juan Soto, Marcelo Ozuna, this guy's a comedian, Ken Jeong, Mike Fultonwitz, Austin Meadows, Harmon Killebrew, Michael Brantley, and we actually pulled it. We got the cow, yes. And that is a A&G back. Randy Johnson, Joe Mauer, I can't remember his first name, Mike Moustakas, Brooks Robinson, Doc Emmerich, Bryce Harper, Alzolay mini rookie, and Stan Musial. Andrelton Simmons, Steve Carlton, Baseball Brit, who really needs the curly Q mustache. Ricky Henderson, he needs the Raleigh Fingers mustache. Can we just see a Raleigh Fingers? Mike Clevenger, Max Scherzer with the crazy eyes, different colors. We got the Willis Tower. Man, I think I tried to guess this and I got it wrong. I don't remember where it was. Edmund. Let's see. Maybe it was, I thought Chicago, I think. I don't know. It is Chicago. Ah. Maybe it was a different one that I tried to guess. Roberto Clemente, Kyle Schwarber, Carabas, Nico Horner rookie, Didi Gregorius, Burt Blyleven, an old trunk where monsters live, and Jason Veritek. Willie Mays, George Brett, Tino Martinez, Chip Gaines, Bob Gibson, Bobby Dorr, whoa, Safari Sights mini, and Louis Tiant. A zebra. Those are cool. Those are pretty tough to pull too, I guess. I haven't seen many of those. Kim, Vato, Seagal, Theus, Blanco, Erstad, Nyquist. That's A&G back on that one. And Sapphire. Doesn't look like Sapphire, really. They're typically blue. That's why I always thought they were blue. Okay, so now we can look at our hit packs, which Tops, very silly of tops. Just put them all on the top of the box. Let's do this one first. We got Gary Carter, Mariano Rivera, Austin Riley, Lasik, Burj Khalifa, Honus Wagner mini. We'll try to guess this in a second. Let's see what our hit is. Tampa Bay, Austin Meadows jersey. This is game used. Okay. That looks like, maybe this is the one from Dubai. Yes, okay, I already guessed that one. Alright, we got this pack. We got Cody Bellinger, Pete Alonso, Matt Wheeler, J.K. Dobbins, Joey Lucchesi, a dark blue jersey for Padres, Matt Chapman, we got the Irrigator, and Matt Chapman there. Okay, so now, hopefully this is not a relic. Well, some kind of framed something or other. We got Johnny Bench, Brendan McKay, rookie, Francisco Lindor, Hunter Harvey, Ted Williams mini, Eddie Matthews, and this seems like the color of a relic. Let's go from the bottom. Yep, it's a bat relic. And it is, that's like Big Papi. That's pretty cool. Big Papi bat relic. That's pretty sweet. He's definitely, you would think, would be a Hall of Famer there. So this box, 3 relics, but a really cool framed Big Papi bat relic, Joey Lucchesi, and Austin Meadows. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.